Om Namo Venkateshaya. Welcome to Bharatiya Vijnanadhara, a program on ancient Indian knowledge systems being offered by Sri Venkateswara Vedic University, Tirupati. Now we learn about the similarities between Sastram and science. In our ancient Indian system, a discipline of knowledge is known as Sastram, while in the modern times it is called a science. So, if we observe the requisites of Shastra and requisites of science, we can understand that these are synonymous, these are equivalents only. Now let us concentrate on Shastra. Shastra has three requisites. They are known as three means of knowledge. A means of knowledge is known as pramanam. Prama means yathartha jnanam, the knowledge of a thing as it is. So, which provides us prama, that is pramanam. These means of knowledge, though there are more than or nearly 8 in number, three means of knowledge are prominently accepted by all. Those three means of knowledge are pratyaksham, anumanam and shabdam. What is pratyaksham? Pratyaksham is nothing but the direct perception. Direct perception is that which we can perceive through our sense organs. There are pancha jnanendriyas or sense organs. They are eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. These are the 5 sense organs. Through these 5 sense organs, whichever objects are perceived, they come under the system of pratyaksham. And the second one is anumanam, which cannot directly be perceived or which cannot be perceived through pratyaksham. That can be perceived with the help of the second means of knowledge, that is anumanam. What is this anumanam? Anumanam is such a means of knowledge which helps us in inferring a thing which hasn't happened in our presence. For instance, we just have entered into the city. On the roads, knee-length water is being flowed, and surroundings, the trees which are there, from the branches of trees, drop by drop, water is falling down, and the weather is very cool. When all these symptoms are seen, we infer that it rained before we arrived. That rain was not seen by us, but it is inferred through the resulting happenings in our surroundings. Accordingly, from the effect, the cause is inferred here. Cause and effect theory is inevitable in our ancient Indian system. So, the cause is inferred through effect. Similarly, on seeing the blue sky which is full of black clouds and the blowing of wind in a particular speed and the dancing trees and also the dragonflies flying here and there, we infer that it is going to rain. That rain has not yet taken place, but with our past experience, whenever we had all these developments in the sky, we had rain. That's why we infer that rain is going to take place. So this is called inferring the effect from the causes. That's why inferring the cause from the effect and inferring the effect from the cause, this is of 2 types. This inference is known as anumanam. This is also a means of knowledge. And after that, pratyaksha, anumana, while these 2 are directly perceivable, the third one is there, shabda. Shabda is not an experience of our lives. In our Past, there were many masters of knowledge, there were many sages, there were many realized souls. Whatever was imparted by them in the form of Upadesha, that entire content is called Shabda, verbal testimony. That also is a means of knowledge. In this manner, Pratyaksham, Anumanam, and Shabdam are the three means of knowledge according to Shastra system. And the same in different terms is expressed as far as science is concerned. In the science context, if we see observation, hypothesis and experimentation, and drawing principles or scientific laws through deduction or induction. These are the three steps we have in science. So, what is observation? Observation is nothing but direct perception. Whichever we observe through our sense experience, that is known as observation. The second one is inference, that takes place in the process of hypothesis. Hypothesis is source for any kind of experimentation. With a statement of hypothesis, one starts doing experiments, and through experimentation, one can prove an observation correct. And hence, hypothesis and experimentation are related with inference. Finally, when a constant observation is proved as a fact, a law of science or scientific laws are drawn through deduction or induction in the area of sciences. Hence, the science and the Shastra are synonymous, we can conclude. Om Namo Venkateshaya.